In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening a gallery and tapping on Photos or Albums at the top. After locating your photos that you wish to delete, hold the chosen one. And to select multiple right away, click on Select All at the top right corner. Now to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on those dots on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the Remove button at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!